In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Myfxbook Drawdown. Think of Drawdown as your trading account's pain meter. It tells you how much your equity fell from a previous high before recovering. To see it, open your Myfxbook account page and look at the stats panel. There you'll find Drawdown shown as a percentage. On Myfxbook, that number represents your maximum drawdown since the start of the account, essentially the worst peak-to-trough decline you've experienced. It's a simple metric, but it captures the real stress your system has had to endure. Use that percentage as a risk gauge. Lower drawdown generally means lower risk exposure and smoother equity swings, while a higher percentage points to a more aggressive approach and bigger volatility in your results. For context, a single-digit drawdown typically reflects conservative settings, whereas a much larger percentage signals that your positions or stop distances may be exposing you to larger swings. There's no universal right number. It should match your tolerance and the style you trade. Remember, the goal isn't to eliminate drawdowns. They're a normal part of trading, but to keep them at a level you can tolerate without abandoning your plan. Sustainable risk keeps you in the game long enough for your edge to work. If the drawdown you see is higher than what you're comfortable living with, make your position size smaller. Shrinking size reduces the impact of each trade on your account, which helps keep the next losing streak manageable. This can be as straightforward as cutting lot size, using fewer contracts, or lowering the percent of capital you risk per setup. The goal is to bring that historical pain in line with what you can realistically handle so you can stay disciplined and avoid emotional decisions. If the drawdown percentage increases after losses, take that as your cue to reduce trade size or overall risk even further. Tightening risk while you're in a slump is a protective move. It slows the bleeding and gives you space to analyze whether market conditions change, if your edge is intact, or if execution needs attention. Smaller trades in this phase help prevent a normal downturn from snowballing into something that's hard to recover from. To wrap up, check the drawdown figure in your Myfxbook stats. Remember, it reflects your maximum historical decline. Treat it as your risk thermometer and dial position size down if it's above your comfort level or starts rising after losses. Keep it practical, keep it honest, and let drawdown guide your risk so you can trade with clarity and longevity.